Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Chrome and skipping Extra Setup. Privacy begins immediately. Once done, press Ctrl+Shift+N on Windows or +Shift+N on Mac to create a new Incognito window. You'll see a dark theme and the Incognito icon. This confirms you're in private mode. Make sure to use Incognito for local session-only browsing because Chrome won't save history, cookies, or form entries after you close the window. If you need a menu route instead, open the three-dot menu and choose New Incognito Window. Once your Incognito window is open, browse as usual, but remember how it differs. Tabs are isolated from your regular profile, so cookies and logged-in sessions won't carry over. If an extension is needed, manually enable it from the Extensions menu. Otherwise, extensions stay off for privacy. Downloads and saved bookmarks remain on your device, but browsing history, cookies, and site data are removed when you close all Incognito windows. Make sure to sign out of accounts when finished if you manually logged in. To finish, close every Incognito window. Chrome deletes the session data when the last Incognito window closes. You can check the taskbar or dock to ensure nothing remains open, and confirm by reopening a regular window to see normal history. If Incognito won't open, make sure Chrome is updated and restart the browser. Corporate or parental policies can disable it, so check profile settings or device management if needed. One quick troubleshooting tip: update Chrome, relaunch, and try the keyboard shortcut again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.